Hi everybody, welcome to the human soul of your security engine. In this lesson, we will introduce the C4 product itself, its key features and most importantly its benefits for users. What is C4? C4 is an integration software specifically designed to manage building technologies, primarily in the physical security area. We can classify the C4 system to several categories when speaking of building security. The first category is a Physical Building Security Integration Management, abbreviated as PSIM, which aggregates applications for the integration, monitoring, and control of security systems from various manufacturers. The second category is a Management of Identities, Credentials and Access Rights, abbreviated as ICAM. The C4 system also allows the integration with other customers' information systems. Most often this is achieved via direct connection to the customer's human resources system, or to Active Directory. The C4 system is mainly characterized by its openness, allowing for a dynamic expansion of new functionalities, based on customers' requests. The C4 system is increasingly engaging the communication between developers and security professionals. A new portal services tools, such as the Community Web, enable their mutual cooperation, sharing of information and improvement of support quality. What is the current situation of the security systems management? Security management is currently mostly implemented per each system separately. Each device is controlled and monitored by its own software. While managing an access, alarm, fire, and camera system, the customer has to manage 4 separate applications. As a result, the operator deals with multiple software while solving a single incident. The symptoms of a single incident are often promoted in several security systems simultaneously. In the case of minor reconstruction of any building, it is also necessary to edit all related changes in each system separately. This significantly increases the cost of operation. What solution does System C4 offer for such situations? The C4 system replaces to its maximum extent the original vendor's software and provides central management of connected devices. With the C4 system, the operator only watches one monitor, operates one software, one configuration, and pays one security system maintenance cost. In case of modifications, such as the construction changes, office layout alterations, or a replacement of tenant, all these changes are implemented just once. These are performed via one application that registers events from all technologies, manages and configures individual devices. What roles C4 play in security technology management? The C4 system performs 3 basic tasks. While connected to every device, the primary task of C4 is to collect the information from all the events that occurred at those devices into one database. Central history management from all devices provides a huge source of information for reporting and security analysis. The second task is 24/7 monitoring of the security system's technical statuses, security status, or availability of individual devices. The C4 system also allows the operator to control the equipment via commands. The third task is the device configuration. The principal requirement is to ensure the device's time synchronization with the central C4 server. The most fundamental and appreciated functionality, however, is the central management of access authorizations for access control and alarm systems by a unified central system. The Transformers generation also introduces the full device configuration directly from the C4 system. The C4 is a multi-user system allowing very precise setting of permission rights to individual information in the system, according to the extent of its user's responsibility. Due to its robust and high-performance authorization module, several strategies of permission setting might be approached. It is fairly easy to permit the necessary functions to a security manager, reception or remote support technician in C4 using the predefined roles typically at small-scale installations. An extended detail C4 system permissions setting are available, down to the level of individual detectors or cameras for complex installations. In addition to standard security technologies, C4 currently integrates most of the building automation technologies. Various kind of access control systems are usually deployed at different buildings, such as access to elevators or parking systems. Intercom integration is frequently required. Standard building automation industry protocols, such as Modbus, BACnet, and others are supported in C4 system, enabling connection of common building technologies as lighting, air conditioning or heating. C4, as an open platform, allows to integrate virtually any technology or system installed in the building. C4 system is also the right choice when it comes to centralized management of devices deployed at various time zones. The scalability of the solution perfectly allows to distribute the system load to several servers, while the modularity allows the load optimization according to the usage of individual systems parts. This architecture allows to implement large number of sites and to manage huge number of people and access rights in one solution. As we have mentioned at the beginning, C4 system belongs to the ICAM category. Many available systems of this category can only handle the registration of employees' identifiers to the central database. C4 expands this standard by management of identities and access rights definitions along with automatic configuration of those data to individual devices from different manufacturers. An ideal security system is the one where all employees participate. Every licensing based on number of users ultimately forces the customer to minimize the number of involved operators. Therefore, C4 system requires zero fees for the number of users, in addition to the number of connected computers or mobile phones. The price of the product reflects the scope of used functionalities and the number of managed devices. A new version of C4 system is released by Gaminet every year. Technical support for each version is provided for a period of 2 years. During this period, we supply free service packs. These fix errors reported by our customers and project partners. In addition, Gaminet provides customers with a 1-year warranty from the date of system installation. A warranty error is defined as a behavior of the C4 system that does not correlate with the user manual, while all the procedures described in the manual have been closely followed. When a customer buys a C4 system, he is entitled to all new versions released by Gaminet in the same year. When requesting a new version of the C4 system, the customer can choose between the two options how to obtain it. The first option is a single version upgrade. It is suitable for customers who require an one-time upgrade, without any obligations to the manufacturer. The second option is a subscription, providing regular access to the new versions of the C4 system at discounted prices compared to a standard upgrade. The subscription applies to all released versions in the prepaid period and is ideal for customers requesting a new version every year. It is important to note that both strategies are optional and the customer can decide for himself whether and when he needs a newer version. In case you are looking for a solution that can be installed by your current supplier, you got deployed security devices from different manufacturers, you need to centrally manage employees and their access, the C4 integration security system is the ideal choice for you.